Today I'm going to be showing you how I'm going to take this boring plain pencil case and customize it and repaint it and make it on my own. I mean paperclip container. First, I'm taking a piece of cardboard and putting it under this so that paint doesn't get everywhere. First, I'm taking some blue paint and some white paint. Then I'm making a light blue color. And now I'm painting the bottom of my paperclip case. Now I'm done with the first coat. Now I'm also adding a second layer. Now I'm actually starting to paint the cloud. And there's my completed cloud. I'm switching it to the back and I'm going to write paper clips on the back. It was a little bit hard to put that on video, but I painted and wrote paper clips on the back with this brush, and if you have watched any of my other videos, then you do know that I call this the miracle brush because it's so thin. It does the job for you. Also, I'm not done with the cloud yet too, and I'm going to use my miracle brush to add a face to it. Of course, I need to add some cute little blush cheeks. I'm going to flip it over to another side of the paperclip. Let's take some yellow paint and paint an adorable little sun. I'm pretty sure that I'm going to need 2 layers for this. So I went ahead and painted a face on my sun also. On the last side of the paperclip container, I'm going to paint a storm cloud. Is how I customized the plain old boring paperclip case that you saw at the beginning of this video into a masterpiece of adorable artworks on each side, and it holds your paper clips. This is a great decor idea for your desk or wherever you might use office supplies. And I really hope that you enjoyed watching this video. I certainly did enjoy making this project, and I hope that you make it too. Also, this project can be made in other ways too, like if you have some sort of jar or other sort of case that would need customizing, you can just do what I did. So yeah, see you on the next video.